The 2007 Toyota Avalon. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 35,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, front dual-zone air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.